Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a refreshing plunge into the world of Korean cuisine to discover the icy wonders of Naengmyeon. But wait, there's more. We'll also uncover some lesser-known facts about this unique dish that will leave you intrigued. So, let's beat the heat and dive right in. Naengmyeon, also known as Korean cold noodles, is a popular summertime treat in Korea. It's typically enjoyed during hot weather to help cool down and revitalize. The noodles are made from buckwheat or sweet potato starch and are served in a chilled, flavorful broth, making it a truly refreshing experience. But did you know there are two types of Naengmyeon? The first is mul Naengmyeon, which translates to water-cold noodles. This version features noodles in an icy beef broth, garnished with cucumbers, pear, and a hard-boiled egg. The second type is bibimbap Naengmyeon, which is a spicy variation with noodles mixed in a tangy, red pepper sauce. Naengmyeon has a fascinating history that traces back to North Korea. It was originally a specialty in the cold regions of the country, where people would use icy streams to chill the noodles during winter. Over time, Naengmyeon's popularity spread across the Korean peninsula, becoming a beloved dish for all seasons. What's the secret to achieving the perfect Naengmyeon chill? The broth itself plays a vital role. Chefs take great care in preparing a well-balanced broth that combines the flavors of beef, Korean pear, and other seasonings. The broth is then chilled to maintain the noodles' freshness and to deliver that signature cool sensation. Let's dive into the fiery world of bibimbap Naengmyeon. This mouth-watering variation is dressed with a zesty red pepper sauce, which gives it a delightful kick. It's also garnished with cucumbers, radish, and pear for a burst of flavors and textures. Bibimbap Naengmyeon enthusiasts swear by its bold and tangy taste. Beyond its unique flavors, Naengmyeon offers some surprising health benefits too. The buckwheat or sweet potato starch noodles are naturally gluten-free and low in calories, making them a great option for those with dietary restrictions. The refreshing broth and nutritious toppings provide a well-rounded, guilt-free meal. Naengmyeon's cool charms have captured hearts beyond Korea's borders. It's now a popular dish in many countries, especially during the sweltering summer months. Korean restaurants around the world serve this icy delight to beat the heat and introduce food lovers to a unique and refreshing culinary experience. There you have it, foodies. Korean Naengmyeon, a chill-filled dish with a rich history and diverse flavors that are perfect for summertime or anytime you crave a refreshing treat. So, the next time you find yourself looking to beat the heat, remember to try this delightful Korean delicacy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. And before we say goodbye, let us know in the comments below if you've ever tried Naengmyeon and which type is your favorite. Until next time, stay cool and happy eating.